In this tutorial, we're going to be going over making changes and updates to articles on your website. In order to make changes and updates to articles on your website, we need to navigate away from the control panel and access the Article Manager. We're going to do that using the main menu system across the top of the back end of your website. We're going to click on the word Content and then click directly on the word Articles. Once we click Content and then click on the word Articles, we'll be taken to that Articles Manager, where you'll see a list of all of the articles in use on your website displayed below. To make changes or updates to a particular article on your website, simply click the title of that article to give you access to the Article Edit screen. And on the Article Edit screen, if we look down below, you'll notice there is a word processing box. And it's set up very similar to Microsoft Word, and it works in much the same manner. In that, when you want to add new content to a particular article on your website, you simply start by placing the cursor where you'd like your new information to appear in the article and start typing. Once you get your new text added, you then can highlight that text and format it any way you wish using the formatting options found above, just as you could with any word processing program. You can also add photos to articles on your website. To add a new photo to an article on your website, we start again by placing that cursor where you'd like your new image to appear in that article. And then we're going to come to the upper right-hand area where we see in the formatting options above a button that's labeled with the word image. When we click this button that's labeled with the word image, we'll be greeted by this pop-up box. This pop-up box is the directory of your website, and it's holding all of the file information that's currently in use on your site. To add a brand new photo to this article, if we scroll to the bottom of this pop-up box, you'll notice there's an upload file area, which will allow you to choose a file from your computer by clicking Choose File, and upload that photo by clicking the Open button and then the blue Start Upload button. Joomla will work to upload your brand new photo, and you'll see this green box letting you know that the upload is complete. And once you see that green box, you can look below to find your freshly uploaded photo appear in the thumbnail list below. To finish placing that new photo, simply click the file name to select, and then press the green Insert button located above. Once you press the green Insert button, Joomla will work to place your new image inside that article, right where your cursor had been previously. To resize an image that you've just placed in an article, simply click that image one time to highlight the entire image and give you access to these white resize boxes you'll find in all the corners, in particular in the upper left-hand corner. To resize the image, simply click the white resize box and drag that image down until it's appearing the size that you'd like it to show on the actual live site. Once you finish adding your content to your article, we need to be sure to save these changes so that they're saved here in the article editor. We're going to come to the upper left-hand corner and click Save and Close. And of course, after we save our work, we're going to need to push those changes out to the website by following the Flush Cache procedure. So we're going to click Components, Cloud Proxy Integration, Flush CDN Cache. Once we click Components, Cloud Proxy Integration, Flush CDN Cache, our browser will think for a moment, and then we'll see a message indicating that our CDN network is now being flushed. Once we see this message, we can go out to the live website, access the page that we just made our edits to in the back end, and we'll be able to take a look at the changes that we made to this article in the back end of the website. Here's the text and the photo that we just added in the back end of the website to the minister's article. To remove information from a particular article, from the articles list, we're just going to open up that minister's article once again, and just like removing information from a Microsoft Word document, we're going to highlight what we no longer wish to appear on this page and press backspace or delete on your keyboard to remove that information. Being sure to save your work when you're finished making that deletion by clicking Save and Close, and push that change out to the live site by following that flush cache procedure. Components, Cloud Proxy Integration, Flush CDN Cache. Once you see that message again that your CDN network is now being flushed, that deletion will have published to the website, and we can take a look by refreshing this page, and the material that we added for the tutorial has been removed from this minister page of the website.